How to block artists on Spotify. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can block artists on Spotify, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to block artists on Spotify, all you have to do is simply go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the Spotify application here. Once you launch the Spotify app, of course you're going to be able to see this type of interface where what you need to do is just select the artist whom you want to block. So let's say that this is a specific artist that I might just maybe want to block. In that case, what I have to do is now just tap the little three dots option that you can find here. Once you tap the three dots option, over here you'll be able to find this option known as block. Now in case you don't find it, then in that case what you can do is you can also simply choose some other artist in this case, and then you can simply go ahead and then basically play a song, and then you can simply visit the artist profile here. Once you visit the artist profile, you'll be able to tap the three dots option and then tap the block option next to the artist name in order to successfully block that specific artist. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically block the artist on Spotify. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.